welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today's yoga flow is gentle, rewarding, and energizing. Focus on your alignment. Bring awareness to your breath. Always being proud of being present in the practice and remembering that it is a practice. Focusing on you, your unique style, your strengths and weaknesses. All make you who you are. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Have a chair handy if you need one, as well as props, a few blocks. Otherwise, no props are needed for this class. Just a happy mind, a happy body, and that awakened spirit. Flow with me. Let's begin. We'll sit in this nice wide-legged stance, placing our hands on our thighs or on the shins, keeping that nice bend in the elbow, just elongating and lengthening through the spine, that crown of the head shooting up towards the ceiling, relaxing through the shoulders. Let's just listen to our breath and feel the breath. That cleansing breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Being mindful of the breath as we flow today. Always rely on the breath. It is constant, it is reassuring, it is your support. Let's bring our hands to our heart. And once again, feel that warmth, feel that strength. Let that carry you throughout your practice today. Let's begin. Take that right leg, that sole of the foot comes in light contact with the inner left thigh. That knee is gently supported. If you need a blanket or a block underneath that knee, please feel free to get one. Having those hips, those sit bones nicely planted on the mat. We're going to inhale and then exhale as you lower the palms, the hands towards the mat. Again, inhale, palms are up, shoulders are soft, and then exhale, going at your own pace, just those nice cleansing, reassuring breaths. Prepping the body for the practice. Once more. Excellent job. Let's straighten out that right leg, bringing it in nice alignment with your hip, your knee, and your ankle. Those 3 contact points. We'll bring that left arch, sole of the foot in towards that inner right thigh. Again, lengthening through, inhaling, rotating through the palms, and then exhaling. Being mindful if you need that support of that blanket or that block. Keeping those sit bones anchored on the mat. Having that weight evenly distributed, right and left side. Again, focusing on that alignment, connecting the body and the breath, and being mindful. Having that nice, strong stability stance. Once more, inhaling and exhaling. Gently help that left leg to stretch out wide. We're just going to pump through the legs, just pointing and flexing the foot and that lackadaisical movement. Resting the hands on the thighs or the shin, feeling open, that nice space you're creating in the lower body as well as the upper body. Excellent. We'll shift the weight in. Those lines are parallel, the legs, creating that nice long line. Let's just inhale and then exhale once more. Inhale and exhale. We'll bend at the knees. Tuck those heels in and come up into a tabletop position. So the wrists are in line with the shoulders. The knees are in line with the hips. We have that nice stance. Our core is engaged and the weight is evenly distributed between the hands and those knees. The muscles are supporting you. You feel strong. You feel balanced. Your fingers are wide, supporting you, alleviating any of that stress that may occur in your wrists. We're going to tuck the toes under and push off, leading with the tailbone up towards the ceiling into downward dog. Now just walking through your dog, having that nice, gentle stretch in the hamstrings and the calf. We won't be here long. Just warming up the lower body, feeling that strength in your shoulders and your arms. Let's walk the feet gently forward. And as we do, shift that weight towards the lower half. So our fingers feel light. Just this nice forward fold. Having that nice bend in the knees to support the lower back. Just breathing, those cleansing breaths. Feeling the ribs expand on your thighs and then relax. Gently walk the fingertips back, coming onto our shins, elongating through the spine, like you have a board from your head all the way to the tailbone, having that nice flat back. Your heels are grounded. You can wiggle through the toes, feeling that nice support in your lower back, your spine, as it stretches in this halfway lift. Bending the knees generously, coming back into this forward fold. You're going to inhale, sweeping the arms up. And then exhaling, bringing the hands to heart center. Excellent job. Coming to face forward on the mat. Let's come to face forward on the mat in this nice mountain stance. Just breathing, having the palms forward. The toes are touching. We feel strong, we feel grounded, we feel connected with that mind, body, spirit.